guys, it's Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. For my old current subscribers, thank you for coming back. Any new ones, take a look around. I do a lot of cooking that I think is learnable by all levels of skill. Today we're making my liver and onions. So, what I've got here is I have a large onion that I've half moon sliced. I've got some beef liver, and here I'm going to make what I dredge it in. Got some flour. It doesn't matter. This is all purpose, but it doesn't matter what kind you use. I think that's enough for 4 pieces. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Alright, wait, I want to add, I think I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. And I'm just going to stir this up. If I can pick up the fork. And I will meet you over at the stove for the next step. Alright guys, I'm back. What I did was, I tried to dry this off a little bit. You know, a lot of people don't like liver and onions, and I understand Tony doesn't like liver and onions. So he's getting leftover pork roast. What I'm going to do, and I already don't have a dry hand, so, because you got to have both hands to do this. I'm going to dredge this in the flour. I'm sorry. Excuse my language. And your goal here is just to brown it. You don't have to cook it all the way. You know, you don't have to cook it all the way right now. Because it's going to sit in a delicious onion gravy for a while. Alright, I'm going to get all this browned up and I'll bring you back for the next step. Okay, now I just browned these as I said. These are not done. Alright, let me turn this off real quick. Now I'm going to drain this. I want that good stuff at the bottom, but I only need a little bit of oil. I should, hold on a minute. Alright. I need 1/3 cup. That's probably all I got. And the rest of that's Greek. Alright, it's 1/3 cup. If you remember, if you watch me a lot, you know whenever I make gravy, it's equal amounts oil, equal amounts flour. So, and I'm using this. Some people may not do this. Use what I dredge my meat in, but I do. And I want to get 1/3 cup of flour. Scrape this good stuff off the bottom. Because that's nothing but pure goodness. And we'll brown your flour. Kind of like, it was going to kind of make a roux. But we're going to go for a darker roux because I want my gravy to taste really good. We're having Well, I'm having this. There's 4 pieces, and I've got these little containers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 meals for me to put in the freezer for my lunch at a later time. We're having garlic parmesan mashed potatoes and green beans. And Tony's having leftover pork roast.
Mm-hmm.
So, come on, brown a little bit more. Just like watching paint dry, guys. I'm sorry. But I can't send you away because I just have to bring you right back. Yep. I think I've got all the good stuff off the bottom. So now I am going to put all my onion in. Oops. And then pour some water, cold water in. Look, I'm messy, I'm sorry. I know it. I'm proud of it. Alright, now, excuse me, I'm going to work my liver in. Ooh, it's still warm. Okay, perfect. I'm going to turn the temp down a little bit, because this is going to simmer until everything else is done. Work this liver down in here in the gravy. Put a lid on it and let it simmer. Bring you back for the next step. Alright guys, look at this. Got some good thick gravy full of onions and some good old liver. So I was turning it into you. With this, we're having garlic parm mashed potatoes. I'll provide a link at the end of the video. You don't want to miss that. And some green beans that I hope aren't too salty, because even though I don't salt them, I put fat back in them. And sometimes that makes them salty. Alright, look at some of this goodness. I'm going to grab me a couple pieces of liver. Tony's dinner's in the microwave. Oh, good Lord. Sliding all over the place. Oops. I didn't make any biscuits. But there you go. Supper is ready. We got some good old liver and onions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Don't be nasty about liver and onions now. Don't be a hater. We love you. And hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. I will see y'all later. Supper's ready. Bye.